I'll never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been such a long time. I haven't posted anything since a month, I think, because I was really not well and I was also not in the mood to actually film the videos. Like I was resting all day and I had like literally no energy in filming anything. So now I feel really much better, and when I was sick I was actually speaking through my nose, like I had that nasal voice. But now I'm back and I feel really good to be back, and I missed you guys so much, let me tell you that. So now I've come up with a video, since September month is full of festivals and you might travel somewhere for festival. So I have created a makeup look like this makeup look right here. It's very simple, very easy, quick to do. It goes literally on every outfit that you wear, and it's very skin friendly, like not too much makeup. So now if you want to know how I got this makeup look right here, then please continue watching. So guys, let's get started now. So I have done my skincare routine, so now I'm going to directly start with my primer. And for primer today, I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer. This is a very beautiful primer. I have like used this earlier, so it's amazing. So today I'm going to use that. So I'm just going to start first apply this and then blend it. So next, after this, I'm going to apply this Bellora Paris Illuminating Radiance Creme, and it has like 24 karat gold, real gold in this. So I'm going to apply that. So again, I'm going to take like some amount on my fingertip and start blending it. So I'm just going to concentrate on the high points of my face, like my cheekbone and my forehead, my bit of the nose and my chin, and I'm going to just massage it. So now I'm going to apply my foundation. This one is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and this one is the MAC foundation. So I'm going to mix these two and then just apply on the areas where I have this dark spots, because overall now my skin is like pretty clear. I don't have like acne or really dark spots, but just this two foundations just to cover up all the very light blemishes that I have on my contour line and on my chin. So I'm just gonna mix this too. So I've just took some amount of the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm going to take like one pump of the MAC, because the MAC is like super dark. So I'm just taking like one small pump. So I've just taken like little amount of the MAC and the Maybelline. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Brush, and now I am going to mix both the foundation together with this and then start applying. So first I'm just going to apply on the areas that I have dark spots.
I'll never tell.
And after applying, see, if you can see, both my neck and my face looks pretty similar. So I'm not going to apply any more foundation. I'm just going to start blending it in.
Now I'm bored, do I miss you? Yes, of course. Think about that time when we stayed up all night talking. I could never let you go on thinking about those secrets true.
If you can see, my spots are completely concealed. Now I'm going to apply a concealer under my eye just to brighten up a little bit. So the goal of this makeup is that we want to create a very nice makeup look with just like less products, which will actually stay for like the whole day. So now I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I am going to just apply that under my eye very lightly. And just blend that in. So to blend this in, I am going to use my fingertip because I find it very easy, especially when I am doing my own makeup off camera. When I do my makeup, I always, I don't use like brushes for everything. I'll like directly go and blend it out with my fingertip, and that is like way more easier to blend. So I'm gonna do that now. So with my ring finger, I'm just going to blend it all in.
Tell, never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises.
So now moving on to setting my face. So to set my face today, I am going to use the Faces Canada Weightless Stay Matte Compact. This is a very beautiful compact powder. It stays on really nice, and I love the formula of this. It's not very powdery, and it's also not very oily. It really mattifies your skin, and it looks amazing. So first I'm going to apply that under my eye. I'm not going to bake this under my eye. I'm just applying it. I'll apply on the rest of my face, blend it, and then just dust it off.
Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never reveal.
So I'm done applying the powder. So now quickly let's get into our eye and the rest of the face. So for my eyes, I'm not going to do anything very crazy. I am going to keep it really very simple. So for that, I'm going to use my Lotus Color Kick Kajal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply that as my eyeliner, and then I'm going to blend it with like a small pencil brush or just with my fingertip like this, and it looks really bomb. It gives you very smoky effect. And then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my mascara. For blush today, I might just apply my lip color as my blush, which I usually do, and then I'll apply a very nice nude lipstick, and I'm done. And then I'm just going to blend it like this with a very light hand. As you can see, it looks really nice. I'm going to do the same on my other eye as well.
Revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
So for blush today, I am going to apply this lipstick from Miss Claire. So I'm just going to apply like a few dots on my cheek and just blend it with my foundation brush. So for lipstick today, I'm going to apply this My Glam Get Lit lipstick in the shade Thank You Next. So I'm going to apply that. It's a very beautiful brownish nude shade, and it's super matte.
Secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to.
So now I'll be quickly back with wearing my earrings and doing my hair.
So bad, gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, I need to hear that voice. Cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go. Go on thinking about those secrets true.
So guys, this is the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that this video was really helpful. I think you guys can really, ace up this look because it's pretty simple, easy, quick, festival friendly. It looks good on any outfit and any occasion, and I hope that you guys will try this look out. And if you actually try this look out, let me know in the comment section what you think about it. So guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Think about that time when we stayed up all night talking. I could never let you go.